痛い
これずっと歩くの。来てた。こうやってこれで抜いて、これでずっとバーって歩く。
Ang sakit. Ouch! Itay! Itay! Sugoi itay! Itay! Ah! Itay! Sugoi itay! Ah! Oh my god! Acupuncture? Ah! Itay! 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 Ah, itay!
ここは痛いよ。
So itay. You need to take off your shoes. No? No. Itay yo. Yeah.
いける。頑張って。
Gambate. Careful. Oh my god. So when you visit Izu, you need to visit this park. This park is called Matsubara Park, and it's just like next to the ocean. So you can hear the ocean from this park.
There's a big tree in here.
And there's a lot of big trees here. And also you can see this kind of like a clock here. You see the mountain view? Oh, nice. So let's continue our acupuncture adventure. Oh, 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 oh. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. Let's see if I can do this. Ouch! Aray! Aray! Aray, nanay ko! Aray, ang sakit! Ang sakit! Ang sakit! Hindi kaya. Ang sakit. So, mabilang dito. It's really like a circle. It's really like a circle. So you have to go there all the way. Coming this way. And then this way. It has the stones here has different textures. But also... Oh, this one is smooth. So, oh yeah, oh yeah. This one too. This one too.
ここ痛いよ。そこ痛いよ。
So, ko itay. Oh, I like this one. I like this one.
Is,
How about that one? Let's see. Oh, I think I love this.
yeah.
So this is an acupuncture park, right?
Yeah.
Right, Chan Lloyd?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Chan Lloyd agrees with me. So let's see. Oh
That's
my
right.
god, this one, I love this one. Chan Lloyd, you should try this one. Take off your shoes.
No.
Okay. Oh, this one is different. Look. Look. Look.
It's so hurt.
Let's see if I can even walk
So small.
this one without the assistance of these railings here. Oh, 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 no, I can't. Visit Izu, and this is what you're going to see in here. Oh my god, I like this. I like this countryside. This one's another texture of a stone to massage your feet and to also see, that's how it is. And this one is like this, and let's see the other one, like marbles that are just smooth on the top. So let's see. I like this one. I like this. And this one too. And this one too. I like. Let's see. Oops. Oh yeah, I like this one too. I like. Ooh, let's see. Do I want this one or that one? Let's see. This one doesn't have any edges, so just be careful with the help of this railing here. And I went the wrong way. It says up. Oh my god. And this one has a different texture as well. See? Ding 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 ding. Let's see. I love this one. But the stones are kind of like apart from each other. Oops. Oops, no. Baby, I can't go. Oops, no. Baby, I can't go. Ah, let's see another texture.
でもあれだって体が良くなるから。
Oh, I love these stones, but they're uneven. So they're uneven. So that's how it is when you step on them. Japan after the pandemic and visit Japan and spend maybe 15 days here, explore Japan. Yeah,
It says start there.
yeah. But Kuya Guapo, we started over there. Sorry, I made a mistake. It's supposed to be like that, but we went like this. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. So this park holds a Guinness Book record. Let's see. Let's see. Oops. There is a Guinness Book record here. And it says, ta-da! It says Guinness Book of Records. Largest floral clock face constructed at Matsubara Park, TOI. 31 meters in diameter, completed on 18 June 1991. Peters Matthews and Norris McWhiter. Come visit Matsubara in
Ay, sunod ay si May.
Iya sikit. Sige na. Sikit kayo.
Si May.
Sige na.
Ay, ganyan na. Isang kit din.
You're started in the wrong direction. It is supposed to be this way. Kaya? Kaya? Hindi ko kaya? Oh, ano? Tingnan natin sino ang sasayaw. Sino ang sasayaw? Sino ang sasayaw? Sino ang sasayaw? Archie. Yan, dyan. Challenge number 2. Tan, taran, tan, 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 tan. Tinikling. Tinikling. Oh, okay, pass. This one, favorite ko to. Yeah. Hindi siya masakit eh. Huwag ka lang pupunta doon sa matatais. Yan, masakit yan. Oh my God.
Si May.
Kanina hindi ako tan taratan tan 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 tan. starting the challenge. Challenge, challenge, tinikling! Woo! Ang sakit, no? Pero ang sarap.
Parang sakit sa dibdib.
Oh, mamaya masarap. Yan. Yan ang nangyayari sa paa nyo.
Kung kinuhaan yung pa akong pangit.
Ako nga din, pa ako kanina.
Ang
Puro pa
pangit
ako.
nito. Ilang.
Yan dyan, oh, favorite ko rin. Yan, hindi ko favorite. Masasakit. Diba? That's it, guys. Visit Matsubara.
Dito pa lang start, maliktad.
Visit Matsubara Park in TOI, Japan. After you visit that park, just cross the street and then you're going to find this spot. So, yan yung spa. And then, you can also
あ、ちょっとやりたいじゃん。できない。大丈夫？